casing hasn't changed at all. It's still running this black and red color scheme. It looks are going with a more muted look, as well as a less angular design. This has that whole Predator DNA going on. Decent if you're into this look. I personally don't love it, but that's just a personal preference. One thing, just like the previous generation, but once again, it doesn't support Thunderbolt. If an external GPU, you can't do it.
Weighs at 5 pounds 9 ounces, or 2.52 kilograms. It has a gunmetal brushed aluminum on top LCD panel with red accents, highlighting the Predator logo in silver. And again, brushed aluminum keyboard chassis with red LED backlit keyboard, and a single-piece touchpad that uses Microsoft Touchpad Precision drivers, accented with red pinstripe all around. The bottom is a plastic cover which has 2 removable compartments for hard drive and RAM, which you can upgrade. This laptop feels premium and well balanced with both metal and plastic parts. This configuration features Intel Core i7-8750H, running at base frequency of 2.2 GHz and max turbo of 4.1 GHz. Paired with NVIDIA GTX 1060 6GB and 16 GB of DDR4 2666 MHz, and with switchable Intel UHD graphics 630. This is also sporting 256 Intel NVMe SSD, and the LCD is 15.6-inch 1080p IPS display, 144Hz. No G-Sync. We have an SD card reader, one USB 3.0, one full-size HDMI port, one non-Thunderbolt 3 USB 3.1 Type-C, an RJ45 network connection, and a Kensington lock support. On the right side, we have two USB 2.0, an LED power status, and AC power port. I'd prefer if they had more USB 3.0 ports. On the back side is Acer's Aeroblade 3D fan exhaust. The left side is open and the right side is blocked off. Here are the benchmarks. This chart shows different settings you can use at Acer Predator Sense. You can set it to auto, max, custom fan speeds. For testing sake, I only use auto and max. It also has built-in overclocking of normal, faster, and turbo. The line chart shows the different temperature it reaches according to each setting combination. And here are the fan noise. So, my thoughts so far. For a laptop that's priced at $1,200, it sure packs a lot. However, it is missing a Thunderbolt 3 support that the HP Omen 15 had. But, it does make up for better thermals and fan control over the Omen. Feels like it never really get that hot or loud, which made my gaming experience a lot better. I like the switchable graphics. Sometimes. If you were in window mode and tab out to a browser, the game in the background starts using the Intel HD graphics and will sometimes crash. It doesn't happen a lot, but it does occur. The Intel graphics is sure great to have for better battery life and for content creators to take advantage of it for rendering in Adobe Creative Suite. I love the premium build quality. The LCD is probably one of the best features of this laptop. It has great color accuracy and over 300 nits of brightness. The 144Hz is great for gaming and would not make me want to play at anything less. The GTX 1060 and 8750H packs a punch and delivers the FPS you need at 1080p high or ultra settings. Acer has outdone themselves, giving us a well-executed but